When people think of deadly creatures, their minds often jump to snakes, spiders, or scorpions. The image of a cobra flaring its hood, a black widow lurking in its web, or a lethal jellyfish drifting through the ocean tends to dominate conversations about venom and poison. However, the most poisonous creature on Earth isn't what you might expect. While many animals can deliver venomous stings or bites, the true champion of toxicity is much smaller, unassuming, and far deadlier than most realize. Understanding poison versus venom. Before identifying the world's most poisonous creature, it's important to distinguish between poison and venom. Many people use these terms interchangeably, but they refer to different biological mechanisms. A venomous animal injects its toxins through a bite, sting, or other direct delivery method. Examples include snakes, spiders, and jellyfish. A poisonous creature, on the other hand, delivers its toxins passively, meaning you have to touch, eat, or absorb them to be affected. Poison dart frogs, certain plants, and toxic fish fall into this category. The deadliest poisonous creature doesn't bite or sting its victims. It simply exists, carrying enough lethal toxins in its body to kill dozens, if not hundreds, of people. While box jellyfish, king cobras, and blue-ringed octopuses are infamous for their venom, the true master of poison is the unassuming golden poison dart frog. The golden poison dart frog. Native to the rainforests of Colombia, the golden poison dart frog may not look particularly dangerous. It is a small, brightly colored amphibian, measuring just about 2 inches in length. However, its vibrant yellow, orange, or greenish skin serves as a deadly warning to predators. This frog is one of the most toxic animals on the planet. Just a single golden poison dart frog carries enough poison to kill 10 to 20 adult humans. The poison it secretes is called batrachotoxin, one of the most powerful naturally occurring toxins in the world. Batrachotoxin works by attacking the nervous system, causing paralysis and cardiac arrest within minutes of exposure. Unlike venom, which requires a direct injection, the poison from this frog is so potent that even touching the creature with a cut or scratch on the skin could be lethal. The science behind batrachotoxin. Batrachotoxin interferes with the way nerves communicate with muscles. Normally, nerve cells send electrical signals to control movement and organ function. This toxin forces sodium channels in the nerves to remain open, preventing muscles from relaxing. This leads to convulsions, paralysis, and eventually death due to respiratory or heart failure. There is no known antidote to batrachotoxin, making exposure incredibly dangerous. What makes the golden poison dart frog even more fascinating is that it does not produce this toxin on its own. Scientists believe that these frogs acquire batrachotoxin from their diet, specifically from certain beetles and ants found in their native rainforest environment. Frogs raised in captivity do not develop the same lethal toxicity, suggesting that their poison comes directly from their food sources. Why do these frogs need such deadly poison? The extreme toxicity of the golden poison dart frog serves as a powerful defense mechanism. In the wild, most predators learn to avoid brightly colored amphibians because their coloration often signals danger. The golden poison dart frog's bright hues are a warning sign known as aposematism, a common trait in toxic animals. If a predator makes the mistake of attempting to eat one, it will likely suffer a swift and painful death, reinforcing the lesson for other animals to stay away. Unlike many poisonous creatures that rely on camouflage or hiding, this tiny frog confidently moves through its environment, knowing that no predator dares to challenge its toxicity. Even among other species of poison dart frogs, the golden poison dart frog is in a league of its own. While other species contain toxins in their skin, none possess batrachotoxin at the same lethal levels. Indigenous use of poison dart frog toxins. For centuries, indigenous tribes in Colombia have understood the deadly power of the golden poison dart frog. They have used its toxin to coat the tips of their blow darts, turning them into lethal weapons for hunting. By carefully extracting small amounts of poison from the frog's skin and applying it to their darts, hunters could paralyze and kill animals from a distance. This method has been so effective that the species earned its name, poison dart frog, from this ancient practice. Despite its deadly nature, the frog has also played an important role in traditional medicine. Some researchers have studied its toxins for potential medical applications, including pain relief and neurological treatments. Batrachotoxin, when used in controlled doses, has the potential to influence pain receptors in ways that could lead to new pharmaceuticals. How does the golden poison dart frog compare to other deadly creatures? While the golden poison dart frog holds the title for the most poisonous creature, many other animals are known for their lethal toxins. Here's how it compares to some of the world's most infamous venomous creatures. The box jellyfish is often considered one of the deadliest marine animals due to its highly potent venom. With long, almost invisible tentacles, it can deliver a painful and deadly sting. The venom attacks the heart, nervous system, and skin cells, often causing heart failure or extreme pain that leads to drowning. Some victims have died within minutes of being stung. However, unlike the golden poison dart frog, which carries its lethal toxin at all times, the box jellyfish must actively inject its venom through its tentacles to cause harm. The inland taipan, also known as the fierce snake, holds the title for the most venomous snake in the world. Its venom is so powerful that a single bite could kill more than 100 people. This snake is rarely encountered by humans in the wild, but if bitten, a person could suffer paralysis, organ failure, and death within hours if left untreated. Despite its lethal venom, the inland taipan must actively strike and inject its toxins to cause harm, whereas the golden poison dart frog secretes its deadly poison through its skin at all times, making it passively dangerous to anything that touches it. The blue-ringed octopus may be small, but it is one of the most dangerous sea creatures. It carries tetrodotoxin, a powerful neurotoxin that can cause muscle paralysis and respiratory failure, leading to death within minutes. Despite its beautiful appearance, with bright blue rings flashing as a warning, this octopus is highly lethal if provoked. However, like the inland taipan, it must bite to inject its venom, whereas the golden poison dart frog's toxin is always present on its skin, making it lethal without any effort. The cone snail is another seemingly harmless but deadly predator. Found in tropical oceans, this slow-moving mollusk uses a harpoon-like tooth to inject venom into its prey. Its toxins can cause paralysis and death, sometimes before a victim even realizes they have been stung. However, similar to the other venomous creatures on this list, the cone snail must actively deliver its venom, unlike the golden poison dart frog, which is lethal simply through contact. While all of these animals are incredibly dangerous, none are as effortlessly lethal as the golden poison dart frog. The fact that it carries enough toxin to kill multiple people simply by being touched sets it apart from all other creatures. Conservation and the future of the golden poison dart frog. Despite its lethal reputation, the golden poison dart frog is a vulnerable species. Habitat destruction, deforestation, and illegal pet trade threaten its survival. Since these frogs rely on specific rainforest ecosystems and a diet of toxin-producing insects to maintain their poison, any disruption to their environment can have significant consequences. In captivity, golden poison dart frogs lose their toxicity because they lack access to the specific beetles that provide batrachotoxin. This has made them popular in the exotic pet trade, but it also raises ethical concerns about their removal from the wild. Conservation efforts are underway to protect the rainforests of Colombia and ensure that these fascinating but deadly creatures continue to thrive in their natural habitat. A deadly but misunderstood creature. While the golden poison dart frog is undoubtedly the most poisonous creature on Earth, it is not a malicious or aggressive predator. Unlike venomous snakes or spiders, which actively use their toxins to hunt or defend themselves, this frog's poison is purely a defensive mechanism. It does not seek out conflict, nor does it attack humans. Its extreme toxicity is simply an evolutionary adaptation that allows it to survive in the wild. The world of toxic animals is full of surprises, and the golden poison dart frog serves as a powerful reminder that the most dangerous creatures are not always the largest or most fearsome looking. Despite its small size, it holds one of the most potent biological weapons on Earth, proving that sometimes the deadliest threats come in the most unexpected forms.